Good morrow, my amazing strangers. It's hard to believe, but we've just reached 1,000 subscribers. That's quite astonishing, and I have to thank you all for this wonderful support. I know he doesn't sit for you. I guess he doesn't know what he wants. Good morrow, my amazing strangers. It's hard to believe, but we've just reached 1,000 subscribers. It's quite astonishing. And I want to thank you all for this wonderful support. It means a lot to me. It might seem like a bumpy road with me, but that makes you even more special because, this channel is a little bit different and it needs a special type of audience, just like you. And it feels really great to be part of this exclusive community. And I hope we can keep going and make it even bigger and better together. I really appreciate you joining me on my journey. Thank you. You're really awesome. But besides thanking you and sharing my joy, I thought I would share some thoughts and a little insight into the video creating process with you. Believe it or not, but I consider myself a creative person, which is not a fun factory. I cannot constantly and steadily create the same content. Sometimes I have a head full of ideas and I don't have time to do them. And sometimes there is nothing. I have to wait for the muse to strike. Sometimes I fight depressions like many other artists. And sometimes the life issues just overwhelm me. But I'm doing my best to not disappoint you. Of course, I know it's impossible to please everybody. But I try. So unless one tries, it's hard to imagine what it takes to create a video like this. I not only need an idea and a peace of mind to create, but I also need to set up a workplace which is not always available. I need to set up camera and lights and choose the right angles and sometimes change them through the process, which is quite challenging, especially when cooking, as you can imagine. And then there is the big issue of the on and off and the record button. You wouldn't believe how often they don't get pushed at the right time. And then there are all the other technical difficulties. Setting up the equipment. Like today I was solving for half an hour the feedback issue with my microphone. And I had no idea what's wrong. And then suddenly it worked, but I'm happy. But that's not all. Then there is the hours and hours of post-process work. I calculated it takes every minute of a finished video takes about 1 hour of work, including downloading, sorting files, cutting, rearranging the shots, creating intro, subtitles, going through dozen songs to select the right background music, solve missing and messed up shots, and then try to blend everything with hopefully sensible voiceover. So I can't really imagine talking live while thinking about all this and creating. And then usually when I upload, I create the thumbnail, write the description, go through all my notes to sort the supplies, links, any tips or notes. And if it's worth it, the next day I write the blog to put it on my website and take some still shots from the video. And this all sounds more like a full-time job than an off-hour entertainment. And I really wish I had more time, but I'm enjoying all of it. I always did and probably always will be doing these certain types of creative activities. And I just thought I'd share them with you so maybe they are helpful for somebody else. I know how relaxing it is to sometimes watch somebody else do something, or it's inspiring, and sometimes you even learn something you didn't know. And I'm really hoping I'm supplying these things to you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for your subscribing and most importantly, staying with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll see me next time. Bye.